Okay, so we all know AI is a huge deal. It's changing pretty much everything about how we work. But here's the real question. How do you measure its true value? And I'm not talking about just counting the dollars and cents you save. I'm talking about the stuff that really moves the needle, like making smarter decisions faster or building more innovative teams. Those are the benefits that don't just pop up on a spreadsheet. And that's exactly what we're going to tackle today. So here's our roadmap. First, we'll look beyond the bottom line to really get what we're trying to measure here. Then I'm going to walk you through a core framework that'll guide your thinking. After that, we get super practical with a strategic playbook you can start using right away. We'll also talk about the common hurdles, the stuff that trips people up, and finally, we'll lock in the key principles you need to succeed. All right, so let's get right to the heart of the problem. AI's biggest promises, things like boosting team morale or sparking that next big idea, they're just really, really hard to put a number on. But if you can't measure them, how in the world do you justify the investment? How do you prove it's actually working? That's the puzzle we're here to solve. Seriously, just pause and think about that for a second. What would that mean for you, for your team? This isn't some sci-fi fantasy. It's exactly what a well-thought-out AI strategy can do. It's not just about cranking out more work. It's about creating more value and freeing up human brains for the stuff that really matters. The trick is learning how to see that potential and talk about it in a way that gets everyone on board. So when I say intangible benefits, what am I actually talking about? Well, think about making a critical business decision in a single day instead of a full week. What's that speed worth? Or picture your team finally free from all that mind-numbing, repetitive work and instead focused on solving big, creative problems. That's the gold we're digging for. Okay, so how do we actually go about capturing all this amazing value? Well, it's not with wishful thinking, that's for sure. It's with a proven, structured framework. This is the model that's going to guide your thinking and your actions from the moment you have an idea all the way through to seeing the results. The framework itself is actually pretty simple. It's a powerful three-step loop: strategy, implementation, and measurement. And here's the key. You absolutely cannot have one without the others. Each step flows right into the next, creating this awesome cycle of continuous improvement. Let's break them down. Listen, if you remember one thing, make it this. Every single successful AI initiative starts with strategy, not with the cool new technology. Before anyone even thinks about writing code, you have to ask, what business problem are we actually trying to solve? Getting crystal clear on this first saves so much time, money, and heartache down the road. All right, next up is execution. This is where the rubber meets the road, where your beautiful strategy has to survive in the real world. This is all about disciplined project management, getting teams to work together, using your resources wisely, and never, ever taking your eye off the quality of the final outcome. Because, let's face it, a great strategy with sloppy execution is basically just a nice-sounding daydream. And finally, we get to measurement. You've got to figure out how you're going to measure success from day one. And this isn't just about patting yourselves on the back at the end and saying, hey, look, it worked. It's about learning. The data you gather here is what tells you what to tweak in your strategy for the next time, creating that powerful feedback loop that just gets better and better. Okay, so we've got the what's. That's our three-step framework. Now let's dive into the how. This next section is your practical, no-fluff, real-world playbook. These are the specific actions that turn that framework from a nice idea on a slide into actual, tangible results. Think of this as your go-to checklist. You start by being honest about where you are right now. Then, you define what success actually looks like. Super important, get your stakeholders involved from the very beginning. Then, roll things out in phases. Don't try to boil the ocean all at once. And maybe most critically, invest in training your people and always, always be ready to pivot based on what you're learning. Now, if that last slide was the checklist, think of these 4 pillars as the mindset behind it all. This is what separates the companies that just play around with AI from the ones that truly lead the pack. You always start with strategy. You stay laser focused on value. You build up your own team's skills for the long haul, and you stay flexible. You have to. Now, let's get real for a minute. The road to AI value, it's not always a smooth, straight line. You're going to hit some bumps. You are going to face challenges. The key isn't to hope they don't happen. It's to see them coming and have a plan ready to go. This is all about being proactive instead of reactive. These are the big 4 hurdles you're almost guaranteed to run into. If your stakeholders aren't on the same page, the answer is clear rules and constant communication. If money or people are tight, you have to be ruthless about prioritizing what creates the most value. If you're getting pushback from the organization, the only way through is to educate, show people the benefits, and get them involved. And for that measurement problem we started with, the solution is to put in the hard work up front to design metrics that actually mean something. See, every problem has a solution. All right, let's wrap this all up and bring it home with a few key principles. If you're going to walk away from this with just a few things rattling around in your head, make it these. This is the stuff you absolutely need to remember to lead effectively with AI. So here it is. Measuring those soft benefits is no longer a nice to have, it is essential. Your success is going to come down to a clear strategy and a disciplined execution. I want you to believe that everything is measurable if you just define the right metrics from the get-go. And remember, invest in your people for long-term wins, and always, I mean always, be ready to adapt based on what you learn. So I'm going to leave you with this one final question to chew on. And this isn't just for a fun little chat. This is your first real action item. I want you to identify one of these powerful, unmeasured benefits in your own work. Maybe it's decision speed, maybe it's knowledge quality, maybe it's just making your team happier. And I want you to think, what's the first tiny step I can take to start measuring it? Because that is how this whole transformation really begins.